This is a complete module on color and light. It focuses entirely on physical lighting. This covers both natural forms like atmospheric light to more staged and art-directed types like volumetric lighting. Each volume contains well-structured lessons that include lectures, how to study color, painting demonstrations, and even student critiques and paint-overs. It is the most comprehensive content I have released to date. I have focus tested this with my own students, and I have run sample trials of a fraction of this content for free on my YouTube. I implore you to at least consider checking out my Patreon, as it's the cheapest way to grab all of this content and loads more. Thanks for stopping by.